Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how you can make interchange between screens in Thunkable. So let's get started. So go on Thunkable projects, sign in yourself, click on create a new project, give it name what you want. Like I want to make test app, category to education, any category which you want. Then make sure that use drag and drop builder is checked. Create. Then this is a blank screen. So I will create a button here. Button text to be see the image on next screen. Yeah, here it is. Then click on this plus option here. It will create a new screen. Then I will add an image here. Then upload file from downloads. This as a child. See, this is now go to screen one, go to blocks, click on this button one and drag when button one is clicked means when we click on that button, go to control and navigate to screen 2. See when we will click on this button, it will take us to this screen 2 which has that image. So let's check it, web preview. Yeah, if we will click on this next, see it's showing us that image here. We can't do this in code.org, so we upgraded to this Thunkable, then we will upgrade to MIT App Inventor and then we will go to Cordilla. And Cordilla is the last app builder in which you will learn that how to create advanced apps. This is in today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.